Halloween is one of the most exciting times of the year for children and adults alike. It is a time when kids dress up as their favorite characters, go trick or treating, and, of course, enjoy the night of spooky activities. The holiday has been around for centuries, with its roots dating back to ancient times. Halloween was originally celebrated as a harvest festival, a time to honor the crops and thank the gods for a bountiful harvest. It was also a time for the villagers to escape the heat of the summer and prepare for the cold winter ahead. As the holiday evolved, it became more focused on the supernatural and the spooky. In the 19th century, Halloween became associated with the supernatural when a children's story was published that described Jack-o'-lantern as the guardian of the crossroads. This story became so popular that Halloween became known as Halloween-ween, which eventually led to the modern-day Halloween. Today, Halloween is a global phenomenon, with people all over the world celebrating the holiday. Children dress up as their favorite characters, such as vampires, witches, ghosts, and monsters. They also go trick or treating, which involves going from house to house, asking for candy. Some people also enjoy Halloween by going to haunted attractions, such as theme parks or ghost towns. These attractions are designed to scare people and provide a unique Halloween experience. In addition to the activities associated with Halloween, there are also many delicious treats that are enjoyed during the holiday. One popular treat is apple cider donuts, which are typically served at Halloween parties. Other popular treats include pumpkin pie, candy corn, and hot chocolate. Despite its popularity, Halloween is not without controversy. Some people argue that Halloween is too commercialized and that it has lost its original meaning. Others argue that Halloween is a great opportunity for families to come together and enjoy each other's company. In conclusion, Halloween is a holiday that brings people together and celebrates the supernatural. It is a time when children dress up as their favorite characters, go trick or treating, and enjoy the night of spooky activities. While the holiday is not without controversy, it remains a beloved tradition for many people around the world.